So hi guys, I want to show you guys how I normally take care of my dog. You understand? At their age, you're not supposed to be bathing them all the time, at least once in 2 weeks. But you can clean their body. Okay, you can clean their body because of neatness and smell. May they not get bad smell. So this is their perfume. Yeah, this is their perfume, and this is their bathing gel, like bathing soap, liquid soap. They still have tablets. I'll show you guys next time, but I'll be using this for today. So come with me.